Hey, I'm Paul with Custom Dynamics, and today I'll be showing you how to install our new ProBEAM Dual Intensity TriBar. Our new ProBEAM LED TriBar comes with the highest quality automotive grade LEDs. It's a completely sealed unit and provides increased side visibility to maximize safety. It's a simple plug-and-play installation and comes with a lifetime LED warranty. They can be used in conjunction with Custom Dynamics Magic Strobe's brake light flasher to add 10 brake flash or strobe patterns for additional safety and visibility. To get started, unplug the harness connectors from both sides of the TriBar. Remove the two T25 torque screws that hold the TriBar assembly into place. Slowly pull the TriBar away from the fender, making sure that the wiring and connectors are free as well. Install the new ProBEAM Dual Intensity TriBar into the fender, making sure everything is aligned, then fasten it down with the two torque screws. Plug the harness connectors into the new TriBar. Note the rectangular ports on the back side of the unit. The left side should be going to the bike. You have to get the orientation correct because they're keyed and will only insert one way. If the connector does not want to snap in, flip it around and try again, but don't try to force it into the port. Once the ProBEAM Dual Intensity TriBar is installed, test for running and brake modes. Now you're ready to enjoy your new ProBEAM Dual Intensity TriBar. Our ProBEAM Dual Intensity TriBar is a simple upgrade to your bike that will make a big difference for any rider. You can check out the entire ProBEAM family of products at Custom Dynamics or by visiting your local Drag Specialties dealer.